Hey guys, Laura and I just want to thank you for all of your continued support, all of your orders from my website, rngperformance.net. We truly appreciate everything you guys do. Today I just wanted to get out and ride the CForce 600 and just have fun with it, because it's been months since I've been out, and I just wanted to come out and get you guys a little video and kind of have a break, because thanks to you guys I work 24/7 365 now, and by no means am I complaining. I absolutely love it. I love helping you guys. I love being able to provide you guys with the help that you need and answer all your messages as best and as quickly as I possibly can. Laura here, she works a regular job, plus she's the one that makes the trips most of the time. 99.99999% of the time is the one that makes the trips to the post office and to the UPS office and FedEx and wherever else we might ship through. She's the one that does all that, so you guys can thank her. We are trying to get some videos out for her channel. We've been super slammed. You guys have been ordering non-stop of our website, and we just wanted to tell you guys thank you from the bottom of our heart, because just last July I didn't have a job. I wasn't selling my clutch kits, you know, I was just helping you guys tune them, and now I'm able to just do it for you and sell you guys the best kit for the CFMOTO's R.N.G. Performance #1 clutch tuner. And I'm super thankful for it, because I went from not knowing what I was gonna do to doing everything that I do, and we've grown so much, and it's all because of you guys and all of your support and everything that you guys do. It's not just me. You guys might think I'm some sort of celebrity, but I'm here to tell you that I'm not. I'm just a random dude that decided to pick up a GoPro one day, and here I am, and you guys are what got me here. So we just wanted to say thank you. This video is going to be a little late, but happy Valentine's Day. And if it's not Valentine's Day when you're watching this, happy Valentine's Day to the next Valentine's Day. Peace out. God bless. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.